Been up for about 24 hours straight.
Yeah.
And you were promised me 45-degree low.
It'll be there.
And we just arrived.
It's just a little.
It's already at 37. So we are back at Zion National Park, and as you can see, I'm standing before the sign that says Angels Landing. But rest assured, on the 5th trip that I'm now making to Zion, I am not doing Angels Landing. We're going to try some different trails today. All 3 of these are moderate. We're going to try to hit all 3 of them today. Let's go. So our first hike today will be the upper Emerald Pools. And we just started, and I'm already out of breath. So Emerald Pools is straight ahead. Our destination is the upper pools. We're going to stop by the middle pools on the way to the upper pools. And right here is the trail to the lower pools. That one's closed off.
What?
And hopefully our next stop should be upper Emerald Pools. Let's keep moving. So that was the Kayenta Trail and the Upper Emerald Pools Trail. Nice trail, about 2.5 miles, I think, there and back, round trip. Crossing the bridge, off to hike number 3. We're doing some new trails. This is the 3rd one we're doing today. This is called the Watchman Trail. About 3 miles, moderate elevation change at 369 feet. Here we go. Kind of running a little low on gas, but we are making it near the end, and a little overcast now, but you can see probably an hour and a half before sunset. Views are still spectacular. Look at that. So we've made it to the top of the Watchman, and the sun has come back out, and the views are incredible. mesa. Look at this thing, isn't that amazing? So beautiful, the snow on it. It's really nice over here on this east side of the park, much less visited. But that sun straight ahead is starting to set. Well, thanks so much for traveling with us. That'll wrap up this video. As we like to say here at America's Parks, there's always room for you on every national park adventure. So we did 2 of the most popular hikes here at Zion National Park. I still probably would have preferred the Narrows and Angel's Landing, but we did some different hikes, and if I could ever come back again in the near future, which I hope I do, I'd like to explore a little bit more of the east end of the park. But thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, please hit that red subscribe button and have a great evening. God bless you.